Yo guys, what is going on? Thank you for checking out the video. I just finished filming a razor tutorial, wheelie tutorial video. I don't know how good it was. I don't know how good it came out. We will see. Time will tell. But now I figured I'd just get into another video. Hey YouTube, this is a closed course, so please don't demonetize this video. Okay, here we go. Let's get back to a sit down. I find these a little bit harder, these transitions on the Razor, than I do on the XXX, probably because it's so small, but we did it. Yay! Oh my god, my kickstand was up that whole time. I think it's gonna rain here shortly. Listen to the tune, man. Just that response, dude, it's crazy. We got Xfinity Live right here. This is like where tons of people go to like drink and eat and watch all the Philly sports games because they couldn't get tickets to the games, but it's a good time. I guess no games are going on right now in terms of the Phillies. She's getting her car towed. That's a shitty day to deal with. That. It's crazy how fast this thing is, guys. I run 11 kilowatts now. Yeah, that car can't keep up. 11.5 kilowatts I'm running now. And it's bananas, bro. It's so crazy. Alright, let's get a one-hand pull-up. It's a little bit harder on the Razor. Slow this John down. Trying to do a seat stander. I've been working on 1 foot seat standers. Oh, not the bag. There we go. Oh my gosh, I just saw lightning. Why do I want to do a speed run though? I realized I have nowhere to mount the phone to show you the speed on the speed run. And I'm not trying to hold it with one hand while I ride. Well, let's go. So bananas, bro. Scares the hell out of me every time, man. Every stinking time. We can get this rear wheel spinning in the grass. Oh yeah, we can, baby. Let's get another single foot seat stander. Knee-knocks feel pretty comfy on the Razor now, I can't lie. Dude, look how freaking ominous the sky looks right now. Scary. Let's get some little traffic work in. Oh. I'm wheeling, baby, I'm wheeling. Gonna move in here. Don't mind if I do. I'm so scared that I keep losing my phone. I don't even know what I'm talking about, guys, but you wanted Razor content, I'm giving you Razor content. My Talaria is also down at the moment because I got a flat, unfortunately, on the front. So we got some new tires coming in for it. I think you guys, some of you guys will be excited to see what tires I got coming in because it's gonna be fun. I'm excited for it. Damn, look at this Civic, bro. Is that intentional? Yeah, it's intentional stance. The thing is dumped. Should we wheelie between the cars? Sketchy, boys, sketchy. I wish, like, at least on the Telaria I have a horn. I do not have a horn on this drone. Worming it right now. Woo. Hello, sir. Don't mind me just passing through. Woo. Bumpy, and the cars are braking. Let's get up to an Enoch. Ooh. There's our Enoch, baby. Oh my god, I feel the rain. Oh no. Oh no. Run away from the rain. Holy hell. Little pothole action right there, eh? Automatic door. Automatic. Alright guys, well, it's about to pour, so I'm gonna GTF on out of here. But I hope you enjoyed this video. This very short, purposeless video, but more Telaria content to come. I'll catch you next time. Peace.